Hello students, welcome back to our class. Let us continue our problems. Today we can discuss some problems. First one is find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So we have to find out sum of first 51 terms of an AP, and we have given two conditions. First condition is second term. That is second term is A2. Isn't it? Second term is A2 is 14, and third term A3 is equal to 18. So first term A2 is equal to 14 and third term A3 is equal to 18. So we have A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18. So we have to find the sum of first 51 terms. So A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18. From this we will get the common difference. We know that common difference means the difference between two consecutive terms. So we have A3 minus A2, which is D. Isn't it? Common difference is the difference between two consecutive terms. So second term is 14 and third term is 18. Common difference D is equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore D is equal to 18 minus 14, which is equal to 4. So common difference D is equal to 4. Then what about first term? We have common difference D is equal to 4. We have A2 is equal to 14. That is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to A, isn't it? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A. Here A2 is equal to 14. We consider this condition and we are going to find the value of A. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A. So A plus n minus 1 into D. So we are considering A2 is equal to 14. So A plus n minus 1. Here n is 2. That is 2 minus 1 into D. D is 4. Is equal to A. Here consider n is equal to 2. So A2. A2 is equal to, instead of A2. A2 is 14. So A plus 2 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 14. That is A plus 4 is equal to 14. Therefore A is equal to 14 minus 4, which is equal to 10. So we got values D and A. D is equal to 4 and A is equal to 10. So now our question is find the sum of first 51 terms. We have to find the sum of first 51 terms. We have the values D is equal to 4 and A is equal to 10. So we have to find the sum of first 51 terms, which means sum of first 51 terms means n is equal to 51. Number of terms 51. So n is equal to 51. We are going to find the sum of 51 terms. What is the formula? Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know the value of an, so we use this formula. We have two formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into a plus n. Here we don't know the value of an, so we wrote this formula. Now we substitute the values of a, d and n. Then we will get the value of S51. So sum of first 51 terms, which means S51. S51 is equal to n by 2. N by 2 means 51 by 2. Sn n by 2. S51 51 by 2 into 2a. A is equal to 10. So 2a means 2 into 10 plus n minus 1 into d. N is 51. It is 51 minus 1 into d. D is 4. So we substitute the value of d, a and n, which is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10, 20 plus 51 minus 1, 50. 50 into 4, 200. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200, which means 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200 means 220. 20 plus 200 means 220, which means we can cut 2 and 220, 110, 110. Which means 51 into 110. What is the value of 51 into 110? So 51 into 11, which is equal to 1 into 1, 1 into 5, 1, 5. So 1, 6, 6, 5. So 5, 6, 1, put the 0, then 0. So answer is 5,610. So 5,610 is the sum of 51 times of this AP. Let us consider another problem. Problem is the first and last terms of our AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So we have two questions in this AP. How to find out how many terms are there and what is their sum. The given things are the first term and the last term are 17 and 350 respectively. So the first term A is 17 and the last term A is equal to 350. Then common difference is 9. D is equal to 9. These things are given. 9. D is equal to 9. These three things are given. Then you have to find out how many terms are here and what is the sum. So first term is 17, last term is 350, common difference is 9. You have to find out how many terms are there, then what is the sum. So we have A is equal to 350. So we know the formula for finding A. What is that? A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to A. This is the formula for finding nth term of an AP. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, we are going to find out n because we know A is equal to 70, D is equal to 9 and n is equal to 350. From this, substitute the values of A, D and an, we will get the value of n. Let us substitute the values. A is 17, so 17 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 9, which is equal to 350. Okay, 17 plus n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350. That is n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. 350 minus 17. Plus 17 goes to RHS, it will become minus 17. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. That is n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17 means 333. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 333, which means n minus 9, which is equal to 333 by 9. So we can cut 333 by 9 using, what is the answer? That is 3 into 9, 27. Remainder is 6, 16, 63. 9 into 7, 63. So we can cut with the 9. 333 by 9 means cutting with the 9, you will get 37. So n minus 1 is equal to 37. That is n minus 1 is equal to 37 and n is equal to, therefore n is equal to 37. Minus 1 goes to RHS plus 1. Plus 1. That is 37 plus 1, which is equal to 38. So we got the values for n is equal to 36. So how many terms are there? Which means there are 38 terms in this AP. There are 38 terms in the AP. So we got the value for n. N is equal to 38. Here 38 terms. So n is equal to 38. And what is the next question? What is the sum? So we have to find out the sum. So we got the value for n is equal to 38. We have to find the sum. That is S38. Isn't it? There are 38 terms, so sum is S38, which means n by 2. 38 by 2. N by 2 into first term plus last term. We know first term and last term, so we can use that formula. That is 17 plus 350. So 38 by 2 into 17 plus 350, which is equal to, we can cut 2 and 38, that is 19. So 19 into 17 plus 350, that is 367. So 19 into 367. So when we multiply 19 and 367, we will get 6,973. So sum of the 38 terms of this AP are S38 is equal to 6,973. Another problem is find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So we have the question, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. We have to find the sum of odd numbers that lies between 0 and 50. Which is the first odd number? First odd number is 1. Then next one is 3, 5, 7, etc. Between 0 and 50, last odd number is 49. Isn't it? 49 is the last odd number. We have to find the sum of this AP. 1, 3, 5. This is an AP because 2 is adding 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, etc. 49. So this is an AP. We have to find the sum of this AP. The first term A is equal to 1. Isn't it? First term A is equal to 1. And last term A is equal to 40. Isn't it? A is equal to 1, A is equal to 49. And D is equal to 2 is adding. So common difference is 2. So we have to find sum. To find sum, we should have how many terms are there. We should know how many terms are here. So we have to find the value of n. So we don't know the value of n. So we have to find out the value. Here a is equal to 49, a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2. Using this, we can find the value of n. Which means we have the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to a. Substitute these values, we will get the value of n. A is 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 2, which is equal to n is 49. That is n minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 49 minus, here 1 become minus 1, that is 49 minus 1, that is n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 48. N minus 1 is equal to 48 by 2. Isn't it? N minus 1 is equal to 48 by 2. That is n minus 1 is equal to 24. Therefore, n is equal to minus 1 goes to RHS 24 plus 1. That is n is equal to 25. So we got the value n is equal to 25. So we have to find the sum of this AP. So we got n is equal to 25. So there are 25 terms in this AP. So there are 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50. So we have to find the sum of these 25 odd numbers. That is S25. Sum of 25 terms. That is S25 is equal to n by 2. 25 by 2 into first term plus last term. We know the value of first name and last term. So we can use that formula n by 2 into first term plus last term. That is a plus an. That is 1 plus 14. Which is equal to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. So 25 by 2 into 50. We can get 2 and 50. That is also 25. That is 25 into 25, 625. So the sum of 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50, which is equal to 625. So we first found value of n. N is equal to 25 and sum of 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Another question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. We have to find the first 15 multiples of 8. So, first multiple of 8. We know the table of 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 3, 24, etc. So, first multiple of 8 is 8. 8 into 1, 8. Next one is 16, 24, 32, etc. These are the multiples of 8. We have to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So, 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. are the multiples of 8. So, we have to find the sum of first 15 multiples. So, n is equal to 15. We have to find the sum of 15 multiples of 8. So, n is equal to 15. Here, a is equal to 8. First term is 8. So, a is equal to 8. What is the common difference? Common difference also 8. Means multiples of 8. So, 8 is adding. So, common difference also 8. So, we have to find out S15. That is the sum of 15 times. S15 is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, our formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 15. So, S15. We are going to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So, 15 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into 8 plus n minus 1 into d. Here 15 multiples, so n is 15. So 15 minus 1 into d is also 8. So 15 by 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 8, 16 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 8. So we got 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus, we have to find out 16 plus 14 into 8. 14 into 8 is equal to 112. So, 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8, which is equal to 112, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 112 means 128. 15 by 2 into 16 plus 112 is 128. So, 15 into 128 by 2, which is equal to, the answer is 960. 960. So, the sum of first 15 multiples of 8 is, that is 8, 16, 24, 32 up to 15 times are 960. So, we have studied how to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8.